The Wise Turtle and the Greedy Monkey. In a lush forest, deep within the heart of Asia, there lived a wise old turtle and a mischievous monkey. One day, the monkey stumbled upon a tree filled with ripe, juicy fruits. Unable to resist the temptation, he greedily gobbled them up, leaving none for anyone else. The turtle, observing the monkey's selfish behavior, approached with him a gentle smile. "Dear friend," said the turtle, "why do you hoard all the fruits for yourself? Sharing with others brings joy and harmony to the forest." But the monkey scoffed at the turtle's word, dismissing them as foolishness. Ignoring the turtle's advice, he continued to devour the fruits, oblivious to the consequences of his action. As time passed, a severe drought struck the forest, and the once abundant trees withered away, leaving the monkey hungry and desperate. Realizing his mistakes, the monkey sought out the wise turtle of guidance. The turtle, ever patient and kind, offered the monkey a valuable lesson. Greed leads to emptiness, but generosity fills the heart with contentment. Only by sharing with others can we find true abundance and happiness. From that day forward, the monkey learned to share with forest resources with his fellow creatures, fostering a spirit of cooperation and goodwill among them. And so, harmony was restored to the forest, thanks to the wisdom of the turtle and the humility of the monkey.